Meaning of freaking.
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 Freaking. The word freaking is a slang term that is often used as a substitute for the more offensive swear word f***king. It can be used to express strong emotions such as frustration, anger, or excitement. The word has become increasingly popular in modern culture, particularly among younger generations, and is often used in casual conversation or social media posts. However, it is still considered inappropriate in many formal settings. Overall, freaking is a colloquial expression with a wide range of connotations, generally used to intensify language and convey heightened emotion.